So I've been running a little test with the fridge. I wanted to see how it fired up from being in storage. And it's been running for almost an hour. And on the fridge itself, it's a 12 volt fridge. It's at 42 degrees and 6 degrees on the freezer side. And it took 5% of the battery's capacity so far. It's taking 30 watts off the battery to run the 12 volt fridge. But again, it's on cooler side and freezer side. Cooler side left, freezer side right. But I'm doing a test to see how long it will last. It says 20 hours, and I'm thinking it's going to be a lot more than that, only because the compressor turns off once it's reached its temperature. And of course, by then, with the insulated cooler, it just won't run as much. It'll run like a normal refrigerator. Will kick on once in a while and then it'll be off. So I'm seeing how long that's going to run and how many hours without solar, just directly off the power generator. Right now it is noon on a Saturday, but I'm guessing it may run a couple days. But I'm trying refrigerator and freezer. I know I won't get as many hours as I would just running refrigerator, but again, it's just a test. No solar coming in, just directly off the battery. Okay, the house is at 76 degrees. Right now 75, cooling to 75. Alright, we're at 38 degrees. Refrigerator side, 0 degrees or Fahrenheit. On the fridge, compressor is off. I don't hear it, nor is it taking any juice. It says 92% on my battery. 99 hours on this battery so far. And it is 1:30 in the afternoon. So it's been an hour and a half. Okay, I'm checking about every, seems to be 6 hours. It's almost 9 o'clock here in Nashville. Been running for almost 10 hours. And we're at 83% battery life. Right now the cooler, oh, it just turned on. Hear it? Just turned on. It's doing 39-40 watts. If it were to stay on that, it'd be 18 hours, 16 hours. But it was just at 19 hours. So we'll see how it does overnight, and we'll check in the morning. Oh, I just want to quick tell you, this is a Ecoflow River 2 Pro. Its size is 716 watt hours, 800 watts output, and I believe the DC output is 12.6 volts, 10 amps. And we're going into Bodega fridge freezer 12 volt. If interested in these appliances, check out the description in the description box below.
The next day.
So it is 8:12 in the morning, second day. Cooler 38 degrees, freezer 0. Battery just kicked on, you can hear it. Cooler just kicked on. Battery 57%. sticking 25 watts, 57%. Says it's gonna last, if it keeps running, it would be 13 hours. Alright, we'll see what happens at 50%. That'll give me better calculation and how many days this and hours it would last. Let's check temperature. It's at 38, 0 on the other. Fridge says 39. Freezer 10. Yeah, it's not always super accurate, but close. And it is currently running. And oh, we just dropped to 49%. If it were to continuously run, it would last 12 hours. 11 hours. It's got 29 to 30 watts. Now the compressor stopped. It says 18 hours left. So it is, grab my phone. It is 11:06. I was hoping that would be 50% yet at noon, since that's when we started. But it kind of gives you an idea. I'm an hour short of noon as of yesterday. So literally 23 hours. Almost 24 hours. 50% battery capacity to run a fridge, freezer. Now granted, I did start this up noon, 100% without the fridge freezer being pre-prepped and cooling. It started out at 70 degrees. So that should give you an idea how long a battery bank will keep a fridge freezer 12 volt running. Literally do at least 2 days. At least 2 days. This one to show you after the test of 24 hours. That's frozen solid. Even though my laser meter said it was 9 degrees in there, it's frozen. And it's almost frozen. Oh, that's got a nice cloud to it. I think I'm going to have that now.